that's the lucky duck thing.
Put the cat near it.
There's cat poop in there. The trash bag.
Cat near it.
I'm seriously curious as to what it is.
Oh, open it. It's getting angry. Oh, well.
Jesse. Oh, you had a dragon thing, didn't you? Hey, what's this?
It's getting fucking angry. No, it's the Lucky Ducks.
It's Lucky Ducks. You sure?
Listen, it gets angrier the more you smack it.
I think it's that we threw away that.
Yeah, the dragons.
Yep.
God, it's getting mad.
Oh, it's just the ducks quacking. That's what it is. I was like,
That ain't no goddamn duck quacking.
well, that's really scary. Alright, Aaron, take the phone.
Dark, but here are the ducks.